Welcome everyone. This is the hotel I was in, Hotel Avenue in Baliganj. This is the waiting lounge of the hotel. That is a 24/7 running restaurant, and this is the reception desk. So guys, this is my hotel room, Hotel Avenue. Let's check. Nice. Nice. The view was good, I'd say. Let's go and enjoy some nightlife. Just arrived at the Kolkata railway station. It's the time to say goodbye. One special thing about this station is that international trains between India and Bangladesh run from the station, like this one I spotted. And I'll be riding this train. Another 1,000-kilometer journey up ahead, but thankful there is air condition. As soon as the train starts running, each passenger is provided with pillow, bedsheet, and a light blanket. It was raining on the day I arrived here, and it's raining on the day I returned. Thank you everyone for being with me in this journey till this video. This was my first solo trip, and we will meet soon. Thank you.